G'day, Dean here, Diggermate, Aldinga Beach. One of the things we find with our excavators is on the boom we have these lights which keep getting bent. One of the first things that Dele will ask you to, or suggest that you replace or take off, are these lights. I didn't do that with mine, and I waited until they were quite damaged, which I'm sure other people have done. So just wanted to go through a few hints and tips on how to do this on both the U17 and the K008.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com and get it done with Diggermate.
You see, they always get damaged by customers or myself, as I found. All we need are 14mm tools, spanner and a ratchet. Taking that off, and then we find it's dangling there by this wire. So we follow this wire through, right through to underneath, and then it goes into the base there, but we can't get to it, so we've got to take off these plates which are held on again by the 14mm. So we'll use our ratchet to get these 4 plates off. Obviously the rubber mat just comes straight off, and look out for the handle there. Now we get inside and wiggle the wires around a little bit, and then you find that there's these 2 little plugs. There's this one here that we unplug, and a second one. So there's these 2 what's that, red and black wires. And then with those unplugged, we should be able to just pull this through nice and easily, right through to here. Yanking it through nice and gently, and then we have successfully removed a spotlight that we can use for other things if they haven't already been destroyed by customers or ourselves with our wet pliers. Same deal goes with this one, 14mm again, through the hole there. That cable goes through this little hole, threads back down all the way through there, and we find that in the floor pan underneath. So we get to that one. Now if you're lucky, you can actually feed it through and unplug these 2 here, but I don't think you can get enough pull to get it through that hole. So what I end up doing is just taking a shortcut and simply cutting it at the other end, which we'll find very easy to access this area, of course. Take your rubber mat off and the plate, and then right down in here we find that that conduit goes through this clip. So this clip comes off, which you lift up a little tab at the bottom and slide it off, and then it opens up with another clip, and you'll find it simply plugged into that. But this plug is too big to fit back through the other way and thread all the way through. So as long as that's left nice and neatly like that, which is what I've done, I've taken that off and clipped it back on, you can simply cut the other end, unplugging the plug there, cut the other end, and that way you can join them back up again quite easily when you need to put it back together, if you're selling the machine or giving it back to Diggermate after a rental. But you'll find most of us just leave them off, and it gives room to put an even bigger Diggermate sticker on there as well. So that's just a little tip. It's a quick and easy job. A lot of us don't get around to it for a wee while. But it's better to take them off before they're damaged. You might even be able to sell them and get some money back. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to Diggermate.com. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.